T9 Warrior, the ultimate warrior.
I don't care how advanced you are, you absolutely cannot park or transform here. Move it now!
I just accidentally booted up.
Ugh. My knee joint glitched again.